So in this Vista Create tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to create a Facebook advertisement here on Vista Create. So the first thing you have to do is obviously open up Vista Create. Then when you're on Vista Create, go to the top left, make sure that the home button is selected right here. Then the simplest way to do that if you're looking for a Facebook ad is just to go to the search bar and search up Facebook. And then underneath, there's just a format. So you have Facebook post, Facebook cover, Facebook event cover, Facebook advertisement. So you can go ahead and press on that right here. Or what else you can do is just go to the For You page right here. Keep sliding this bar to the right until you come across an option that says Facebook ad, which for me is right here, 1200 by 628 pixels. We'll go ahead and press on this right here. Now, once you're on this page, what it'll actually do is open up and create a new design best suited towards a Facebook advertisement. So the dimensions will stay the exact same. You can go to the left here and select a template if you're looking for a template for an ad. So, for example, if you're looking for maybe one about some dogs right here, you can use that one. You can also go ahead and use maybe this one right here, virtual consultations. You can go ahead and use this one right here, perhaps for a midwife, whatever the case may be. You can edit this if you want, and you can sort of make the advertisement however you may wish. So super straightforward, but this is how to create a Facebook advertisement here on Vista Create. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.